Okay, so we got the Milwaukee Packout case that I made for AirPods Pro, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to put it together. It's pretty simple. So it comes with the bottom case and the lid and the removal tool. So all you're going to do is take your AirPods case and slip it all the way in till it stops. And now you see it's nice and flush. So it's all the way in there. And now the top has this part right here, which goes in the front, and this kind of beveled part in the back. That's for the hinge. This case, the top case, requires you just to remove this little piece right here, this little piece of double-sided tape, just to make sure it stays in place. So I like to, if you got tweezers, it's probably easier, but you can also use the little corner of the removal tool, and you're just going to pull the film off. It's a little bit, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, again, so this part where it has the step down goes in the back where the hinge is, and you're just gonna push that on top till it's flush. Give it a squeeze, flip it open, push the top of the lid into the case, and it's not going anywhere. That's it. That's your Milwaukee Packout AirPods case.